Ever wondered how your organization can achieve peak performance through effective training? Have you pondered on the best strategy to unlock the potential of your team to not only meet but exceed expectations? The solution lies in a unique and efficient consulting model developed by the International Institute for Executive Training, or iIET. The International Institute for Executive Training has developed an exceptional consulting model that drives performance and exceeds expectations. Now, at the International Institute for Executive Training, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all approach. We understand that every organization is different, and so our team of experts meticulously analyzes your current environment. The development of a rollout plan is not a hasty decision, but takes into account your current tools, resources, and the capabilities your organization. Depending on your organization's current state, our experts dedicate time to train your team, deliver, implement, and successfully kickstart your new initiatives. We believe in the power of one-on-one coaching, where necessary, ensuring that we leave you with all of your resources performing at optimum levels. Our team is composed of industry experts and academic leaders from a variety of industries, including management, finance, cybersecurity, economics, and psychology. They dedicate time to understanding your subject matter experts, the people who possess the expertise you need to share. This combined knowledge then forms the basis of our customized training programs that connect your team to the information they need, and more importantly, to each other. The training programs designed by the International Institute for Executive Training are unique in their approach. They make sense to your team, to the way they learn, and the time they have available. They align with your strategic picture, guiding your whole organization towards its goals. In a world where efficiency and effectiveness are paramount, the International Institute for Executive Training's consulting model offers a solution that is both practical and innovative. By focusing on the individual needs of your organization and your team, we offer a path to enhanced productivity and success. So, if your organization is looking for a training solution that delivers results, consider reaching out to the International Institute for Executive Training. Let our team help yours reach new heights. Because at the International Institute for Executive Training, we believe in empowering organizations to become the best versions of themselves.